What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Up on my coffee, thinking. I am in OKC right now, by the freeway, just thinking this morning. Today and tomorrow and Monday and all next week we'll be figuring out the house situation. We got a few options, so we're gonna check out everything, see how everything going. But it's cool so far. You know, everywhere you go is something different. And in America, you know, it's always gonna be good and bad. But you know what I noticed, man, while I was driving? It dawned on me this time. We are the United States of America. But each state I passed through had different laws and different agendas, completely different than the other. So it's almost like each state is its own separate country, if that makes sense. We united together as we come together to do certain things, but each state is its own country, pretty much. I don't know, that's how I'm taking it. But it's just amazing on how the laws are just so different. The mandates, the gas prices, the food, the cost of living, like everything you look at, like everywhere is different. And you wonder, like, man, what's the purpose of it all? You know, to keep people separated, to have the rich over here, middle class, poor, separate these group of people from that group of people. You know, it's a lot of division going on. But we are the United States of America. That one right there, I probably never understand. But like I said, man, I'm just up this morning thinking. Out here, got all my stuff. I actually bagged in and bagged the trailer up so that way I can move around today to do a couple things I need to do. And pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today, man. Trying to figure out a way to make it happen, man. I'll be back in touch with y'all a little later today. Hold on.